Flatricenoodle chicken seafood soup. Ingredients: 1 whole chicken 3 to 3.5 pounds. 2-inch fresh ginger cut into half-inch slices and lightly smashed. 1 onion large, cut in quarters. 6 cloves garlic smashed. 12 white peppercorns crushed with mortar, pestle or side of knife, or 6 black peppercorns. 2 teaspoons kosher salt. 1 pound fresh rice noodles about 1/4 inch, 0.6 centimeters. 1.3 centimeters, wide. Half a pound shrimp small. Half pound mussels. Half a pound Chinese greens such as choy, bok choy, choy or gai-lan. 2 scallions chopped. 4 to 6 Thai bird chilies or other small hot chilies, sliced thinly, about 1/8 inch thick. 1/4 cup soy sauce. 1/4 teaspoon Asian sesame oil. Directions: make chicken broth, place rinsed chicken into gallon pot, 8 liters, with just enough water to cover. Bring to a vigorous boil, lower to simmer. Skim off foam and impurities, simmer 15 minutes. Remove pot from heat, cover tightly, and leave undisturbed at room temperature for 45 minutes. An instant read thermometer should read 165 F, 74 C at the thickest part of the chicken. Carefully lift chicken from poaching liquid and plunge into a large container/pot/bowl of ice water. Leave in water for 15 minutes to stop cooking and firm up meat. Using your hands, pull off skin and discard. Pull meat off breast and thighs into 1/4 to ½ inch, 0.6 to 1.3 centimeters, thick strips. Transfer to covered container and reserve at room temperature. You will have more than needed for the recipe. Combine bones, thighs and poaching liquid back in the pot. Add ginger, onion, garlic, peppercorns and salt. Simmer 1 hour to make a broth. Strain through fine wire mesh sieve. Taste and season well with salt. Soak noodles in lukewarm water 10 minutes. Drain. Peel apart into individual strands. Poach shrimp in chicken broth until just cooked. Peel, divin and halve lengthwise. Add mussels. Blanch whole bunches of choy in boiling water. Transfer to a bowl of ice water for 30 seconds. Squeeze dry, and cut into 2 to 3 inch pieces, 5 to 7 centimeters. Combine soy sauce, sesame oil and chilies. Spoon mixture into individual bowls for each person. Bring seasoned broth up to a near boil. Have all ingredients ready, and have a pot of water boiling to reheat the noodles. Reheat noodles in boiling water for 15 seconds. Drain, and distribute into 4 to 6 Asian soup bowls. Top noodles with chicken meat, shrimp, and choy. Ladle about 1½ to 2 cups of broth into each bowl. Sprinkle with scallions, serve with small dishes of chili soy sauce. This sauce is used for dipping the subtly flavored chicken, but can also be added to the soup.